UiFlow2 supports CAN communication functionality, which can be used for stable data transmission between devices, suitable for scenarios such as industrial control and automation. Under the Function Expansion section on the left, expand Hardware. Select the built-in hardware CAN functionality of the device. Click Confirm to load the module. In the Blockly list, under the Hardware directory, you will see the loaded CAN Blockly module. Drag the CAN module to the workspace for initialization, and you can start development and programming. Next, a case demonstration will show how to use 2 core, 2 units, and 2 unit CAN modules for CAN data communication. Demo 1. Click button A to send and receive CAN messages. Demo 2. Real-time retrieval of CAN messages on the bus.